Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best teen girl gifts is probably one of the most exciting and sometimes challenging shopping experiences, as you navigate the ever-evolving trends and personal tastes of today's young women. Finding that perfect present that resonates with her unique personality, whether she's a budding artist, a tech enthusiast, a fashion-forward trendsetter, or a bookworm, requires a thoughtful approach that goes beyond the surface. Number 5. Crave Naturals Glide Through Detangling Hairbrush. Tired of struggling with tangled hair? Introducing the Glide Through Detangling Hairbrush, designed to make hairbrushing a breeze. It's perfect for everyone in the family. Whether your hair is wet, dry, or even damaged, this brush glides through knots without pulling or breaking. Experience a gentle detangling solution that cares for your hair. This versatile styling tool is suitable for adults, kids, men, and women. It's the only brush you'll need for smooth, manageable hair. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, making styling easier than ever. Achieve salon-quality results at home with this essential hair tool. Crafted for durability and designed with a vibrant turquoise finish, this brush is as stylish as it is effective. Enjoy a smooth brushing experience every time. What we like? This brush is designed to effortlessly detangle even the most stubborn knots. It works wonders on both wet and dry hair, making your styling routine a breeze. If you struggle with tangled hair or have delicate, damaged strands, this is the perfect tool for a smoother, pain-free experience. What people say. This is a great gift for teenagers. The product is well made and has a beautiful design. It is very functional and easy to use. Number 4. Sam and Lori Inspirational Bracelets. Discover the perfect accessory from Sam and Lori. These bracelets are designed to inspire and delight. Looking for a thoughtful gift? Our collection offers beautiful, inspirational jewelry suitable for any occasion. These adjustable bracelets are a wonderful choice for teens and women alike. They're designed to be cherished. Show your daughter, sister, mom, or friend how much you care. It's a gift that truly comes from the heart. Each bracelet arrives in a pretty gift box, ready to be presented. It's a gift that's sure to impress. Enjoy the flexibility of an adjustable design that ensures a comfortable fit. They add a touch of style to any outfit. What we like? These bracelets are more than just accessories, they carry meaningful messages. They are designed to be adjustable, ensuring a comfortable fit for most. If you're looking for a thoughtful gift that offers daily encouragement for a daughter, sister, or friend, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This is a great gift for girls who love to express their creativity. The product is well made and comes with a variety of accessories that allow for endless hours of fun. It's a unique and engaging toy that encourages imaginative play. Number 3. ZealSea 7-Day Facial Sheet Mask Set. Discover the ZealSea 7-Day Facial Sheet Mask Set, your ultimate solution for deep hydration and a natural glow. Perfect for daily self-care. Each mask in this variety set is designed to deeply moisturize and enhance your skin's radiance. Experience a revitalized complexion with consistent use. Formulated to be safe and effective for all skin types, this set ensures everyone can enjoy its benefits. Achieve healthy-looking skin without irritation. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This set is perfect for birthdays, parties, or just as a special treat for yourself or loved ones. It's a daily dose of pampering. Create cherished family moments while indulging in a spa-like experience at home. It's a wonderful way for teens, kids, and adults to bond and glow together. Incorporate these masks into your routine for a consistently hydrated and glowing complexion. It's simple, effective, and brings a touch of luxury to your day. What we like? This set offers a diverse range of masks to cater to your skin's needs. Each mask provides deep hydration, leaving your skin glowing and refreshed. If you're seeking a way to indulge in daily self-care or create a fun family moment, this is ideal for all skin types. What people say. This is a great gift for a teenager. The product is well made and has a beautiful design. It's a fun and engaging toy that will keep them entertained for hours. Number 2. Hidepoo Disc Initial Necklaces. Discover our beautifully crafted disc initial necklaces. They are designed to add a touch of elegance to any outfit. Each necklace can be personalized with a unique initial. It's a perfect way to express your individuality or that of a loved one. Choose from luxurious 14K gold-plated, 14K rose gold-plated, or S925 sterling silver options. These materials ensure lasting beauty and comfort. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This necklace is an ideal choice for birthdays, holidays, or just because. It's suitable for girls, teens, and women of all ages. Its versatile design makes it easy to pair with both casual and formal wear. Elevate your everyday style with this timeless piece. Give a gift that will be cherished for years to come. This personalized necklace is a symbol of connection and special moments. What we like? This necklace allows for a personal touch with its customizable initial disc. Available in various finishes, it offers a touch of elegance. If you want a stylish and meaningful piece of jewelry that can be worn daily or gifted to a loved one, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The product is very well made and durable. It has a unique and attractive design that stands out. The functionality is excellent and it performs as advertised. Number 1. Amazing Time Charm Bracelet Making Kit. Discover the Amazing Time Charm Bracelet Making Kit, a complete set designed for young creators. It's perfect for anyone who loves to design and make their own accessories. This kit comes beautifully packaged in a gift box, containing everything you need to get started. You'll find bracelet chains, colorful charm beads, and unique pendants to make stunning jewelry. Creating beautiful bracelets has never been easier. All the pieces can be easily swapped and changed without any tools or glue, making it a clean and enjoyable crafting experience. Design unique bracelets that reflect your personal style for any occasion. You can even make special gifts for friends and family, adding a personal touch they'll cherish. Our bracelets are designed for a comfortable fit, with adjustable chains to ensure they are just right for most young wrists. Easily customize the length by adding or removing the extension chain. Looking for the perfect gift? This kit is an ideal present for birthdays, holidays, or just because. It's a fantastic way to encourage creativity and provide hours of entertainment for girls aged 5 to 12. What we like? This comprehensive kit provides everything needed to create unique jewelry pieces. The beads are easy to interchange, making the process fun and mess-free. If you're looking for an engaging activity for a young girl who loves crafting and personalization, this is the perfect gift for hours of creative fun. What people say. This is a great gift for a teenage girl who loves to do makeup. The product has a very nice design and it is very easy to use. It is a perfect gift for any occasion, and it is sure to be a hit with any teenage girl. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.